TRUEGRID. True to your project. True to the environment. What eco-friendly paving system can handle the weight of anything on the road, is inexpensive and maintenance-free, more durable than asphalt, less costly than concrete, stormwater permeable, eliminates the need for retention ponds, and is made in the USA from 100% post-consumer recycled polymer? Too good to be true? No, good enough to be TRUEGRID. Be good to your wallet and the environment with the alternative paving solution, TRUEGRID Permeable Pavers. TRUEGRID is 99% stormwater permeable, and with the proper subbase and fill can eliminate the need for expensive draining systems and retention ponds. TRUEGRID is great for parking lots, well sites, roadways, residential driveways, pathways, heavy equipment storage, truck yards, muddy event parking, emergency vehicle access, and more. How does TRUEGRID work? TRUEGRID is used with grass or gravel to provide structured soil stabilization and a pervious paved surface that retains and drains. The grid cells can be filled with soil and sod or seed for grass paving applications like overflow event parking, fire lanes, or utility access. No more getting stuck in the mud. For gravel applications, such as well sites, roadways, parking lots, job sites, and driveways, the grid cells can be filled with most locally available inexpensive rock or recycled material such as limestone or recycled road base. The cell structure keeps the TRUEGRID pavement stormwater permeable and ready for heavy traffic. Let's look quickly at the proprietary product design and features. The grid cells provide the tremendous vertical crush strength of a cylinder. The Flex Link's flexible elements allow expansion and contraction with the seasonal movement of the earth to prevent cracking like concrete and asphalt. The X anchors allow the weight of the rock or soil fill to hold the grid in place without staking. The 3-point locking tabs connect the entire grid installation. No tools necessary as they press together easily. The grid contains a UV stabilizer for long-term weatherability and is dimensionally stable in hot or cold extreme environments. How tough is TRUEGRID? Our pavers have a compression strength of 120,000 pounds per square foot before rock fill is added, which makes it even stronger still. This will handle any load in any job site or roadway. Stormwater management is a huge issue for municipalities. Runoff from the ubiquitous use of concrete and asphalt causes flooding. Pollutants from gasoline and petroleum products stream off concrete lots and roadways directly into our natural aquifers, whereas the TRUEGRID system allows bioremediation to naturally remove these pollutants. Using TRUEGRID in your paving project with adequate rock or gravel subbase provides plenty of retention to satisfy city runoff prevention codes. In some cities, you can even escape taxes for impervious ground cover like concrete and asphalt. A recent project expanded a concrete parking lot by using TRUEGRID. In heavy downpours, the concrete side of the lot floods and causes heavy runoff to the overloaded city systems. The TRUEGRID side of the lot, with a 6-inch recycled road-based subbase, retains the stormwater at a rate of 4 inches per hour and is dry on the surface. No runoff, no flooding, and no messy puddle to step into when you exit your vehicle. How do you install TRUEGRID? Our system is very easy to install. It can be done by any paving contractor or even do-it-yourselfers. Let's look at a typical TRUEGRID commercial installation. The first step is to grade and level the yard. Next, an aggregate base is spread to a depth of 4 inches to 6 inches. It is leveled and compacted. The TRUEGRID panels come pre-assembled in 4-foot by 4-foot square sections, weighing only 20 pounds each and are laid down very quickly. They snap together with the weight of your foot. No need for tools. Typically, the grid can be installed at 1,000 square foot per man-hour. For a 10,000 square foot lot, 2 men can lay the grid in 5 hours. TRUEGRID can be cut on-site with a handheld circular saw for curves and organic shapes. Unload and fill aggregate onto the empty TRUEGRID surface. Spread and compact the aggregate. Unlike concrete, your TRUEGRID surface is ready to use immediately. No additional drainage systems, retention ponds, and land utilization costs with concrete and asphalt. TRUEGRID is virtually maintenance-free. No frequent refill of gravel is needed. How is TRUEGRID eco-friendly? Made in the USA from 100% post-consumer high-density polyethylene, TRUEGRID is non-toxic, harmless to plants, animals, and microorganisms. This inert material is groundwater neutral. The TRUEGRID system design allows for bioremediation of pollutants. Dust abatement improves air quality in areas and roadways where gravel pulverization and dusting is a problem. TRUEGRID is green spec listed and may be eligible for LEED certification points in green construction. Did you know that the production and use of concrete causes up to 7% of the world's CO2 emissions? An alternative to concrete and asphalt paving. True to your project, true to the environment. TRUEGRID Permeable Pavers.